So NotebookLM is an experimental AI-powered note-taking tool that is developed by Google. Now, at the moment, unfortunately, it is only available in the United States. So if you're outside the States and you try to access NotebookLM, well, this is the result. So what you need to do in order to reliably access NotebookLM, no matter your location, and this is not just for NotebookLM, this is for any other service that may not be available to you. So let's say you're abroad and you're not able to access, for example, Amazon Prime Video or Hulu or whatever it is, you can do that by using a VPN. Now, what a VPN will do, for example, here I'm connected to the Chicago server. If I go to whatismyipaddress.com, it'll say that I am in Chicago, not because I'm physically in Chicago, but obviously because I just connected to the server here. In here, you'll see that my IP address says that I'm in Chicago. And so if I go to Netflix, or in this case, NotebookLM, it'll think that I'm now in the United States and I'll have access to NotebookLM and whatever other services that I'd like access to. Let's just get out of here, give this a refresh. I don't think we have to clear the cache to get this to work. And now that we have it refreshed, let's just try the NotebookLM, and it shouldn't give me that unsupported page. There we go. Now we can get started. So that is essentially it. It's as simple as that with regards to accessing NotebookLM using a VPN. And if you end up getting any of them, by the way, you'll find links to pricing, discounts, and full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them, all in the description down below. But to give you a quick recommendation, if you're looking for the easiest to use, most consistent VPN, my personal recommendation would be ExpressVPN. I mean, if I were to describe Express, I would say if Apple developed a VPN, it would look exactly like ExpressVPN. It's very light on your software and it's super consistent and essentially good at everything it does. Now, NordVPN, on the other hand, is the best well-rounded VPN that gives you a whole bunch of bonus features for a very reasonable price. And you also have the biggest number of countries at 111 countries, as opposed to ExpressVPN's 105 countries and Surfshark's 100 countries. Not to mention that NordLynx, which is the fastest protocol available in NordVPN, arguably makes Nord the fastest VPN in the business. So if you're looking for a bunch of bonus features, still very reasonably priced, and the biggest number of countries, alongside the fastest download speeds that you can get out of any other VPN, then NordVPN will be the best option. Now, if you're looking for the best budget option that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without sacrificing any of the security features that you would get with more expensive VPNs like Express and Nord, then Surfshark would be the best option. You'll also be able to secure virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. And even if you go for the higher tier plan with Surfshark, which is called Surfshark One, it will still cost less than NordVPN's standard plan, and on top of that, it will give you not only a VPN but a full antivirus and a bunch of other cybersecurity features that protect your identity and give you a safer browsing experience overall. So if that's what you're looking for and if that sounds good to you, then Surfshark would be a great option. I personally just prefer Express because I really prioritize the simplicity and reliability of using the VPN, and I also love the fact that it is so quick to connect and disconnect from the servers. As you can tell, it's nearly instantaneous, and to me that's honestly much more important than any other extra features. But that's my take on it. If you do end up getting any of these VPNs, I'd recommend knowing what you want to go for, because oftentimes a lot of people end up spending more money with the monthly plan thinking they're not going to need the VPN for longer than a month, but they do end up using it for more than a month, and it keeps resubscribing to this very expensive rate. So unless you know you're not going to need the VPN for more than a month, then I'd recommend something that just saves you a little bit more, like the 6-month plan or the 12-month plan, and that applies to all the other VPNs as well. And of course, for this specific discount, you'll find it in the description down below, and same thing for all the other VPNs. So that'll be it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.